Hi, Clear Creek Preschool families. So today I am going to show you how we use a visual schedule in our classroom. And since our students are younger and they're just starting out with visual schedules for the first time, we like to show them 3 or 4 visuals at a time. Sometimes you'll see ones that might have the whole day or half of the day, but this is kind of an easy start for them to just have the 3 because it's their first time. So when you first open up one of these, you'll see the different flaps on it, and they should all be open when they're first starting it. So all of mine are open, and this is kind of an example of what the very beginning of their day would look like in our classroom. So yours will probably look different because it will be your home schedule and not a school schedule. And you'll have this symbol that this means check your schedule. So we'll say the students check schedule. First thing, jacket and backpack. So then for this student, they would be putting their jacket and backpack away at the very start of the day. And I'll say, did you put it away? They did, so we can close it. Okay, check schedule. So then we look at what's next. Bathroom and wash hands. Bathroom, wash hands. Then once they go to the bathroom, wash their hands, we'll say, did you wash your hands? Yes. Good job. Check your schedule. Next is tabletop toys. And then they would play with the tabletop toys, and when they did that, then we can close it and we would move on to the next part of the schedule. So we'd pull out the next one of these and start it again. So a good tip is in between to try to give them praise. So if you notice between washing hands and tabletop toys, I said good job. You can also give a small reward like a gummy or another small treat like goldfish, depending on what they need. But it's always good to praise them in some way for using each part of their schedule. So if we would go to the next part and start again, we'd start with it all open, and then we'd start the process over again. So we would say, check schedule. They look at the first one. Once they do that, we can close it. Check your schedule. Good job. Let's see what's next. And you do the whole process over again.